in live. I think maybe 1 minute. So, Alex, interesting thing. You know that it is. Wait, we are live? Yes, we are live. So it is a big day today. Trump and White House officials are meeting with biggest top managers. And what I see from the chats, I can see that there are usually when market is going up, I can see that there is big seller, and now this seller disappeared. So it's like he's afraid that it can be a strong upside movement. So I'm happy that we have these 1950 call options. And I really think that all these maybe 1.5 month, it was step by step. Somebody was taking long position, and if I'm right, then we can see strong upward movement soon. So let's check trading view. Can you please share trading view? And I want to show what I think.
Wait a moment, please.
Yes, please.
Oh,
So
where is
can you
our
open,
vertical bar?
please, daily chat? Daily. I want
Wait,
daily
Roman,
now.
where is our vertical bar? Did you delete it?
Vertical bar. I don't know. I think it's some
Okay, let us do another one.
unexplainable event. So somebody moved this vertical line, I think maybe a little bit right. So can you check daily chat, and I think maybe you'll find it.
Oh, there it goes. Where is
Oh,
it?
yes, look, I don't know who it can be. Maybe you.
And you just have that intuition. It should be far, far away for some reason, right?
Yes. So, can you please open daily chat? I want to show you this great consolidation, which usually is happening before strong movements. Look, it looks almost unnatural. So you can see that it is really narrow. So look, it's like no movement anywhere. And maybe here it was almost the same in this moment, but it was wider. So I mean that this range is bigger. And usually this can happen only in one case, if there is somebody who is trying to take position, but doesn't want to take it with market orders. So usually it is happening when there are bad news. Somebody is selling here. I already showed you it in one video, but somebody else is standing here with limit orders, and nothing can get through these limit orders. And you can see that Ethereum tried to get downside, but somebody was buying. So usually, and I want to check it maybe in a week or 2 weeks, when I think maybe in the end of August. I think that it can go like this. So to 2,300, I have this forecast. And yes, we will check it in 2 weeks. And also, you remember that long time, I think, when we were making videos, we looked on everyday trades in Velo, and somebody was buying some strong, some really out of the money options like 2,300, 2,500. Somebody was
Mm-hmm.
even buying something like 4,900, 5,000. I think I even remember 10,000. So it's interesting because one of possible outcomes of a world crisis, I can see that United States dollar will uh, go down strongly, and in that case, everything that has some inner price. I mean that not total shitcoin will
Mm-hmm.
go up not because it is good, but because its price in dollars will grow because of dollar. Understand? So, and it will be interesting. So we will have crisis, but it will be it will look like everything is growing.
Mm-hmm.
So, but because of huge inflation, you will buy the same amount of, products, food, maybe car or something else, because it will cost more. But for example, your stock portfolio will also grow, and you
Mm-hmm.
can feel that you will be happy, but really you will be able to buy the same amount.
Yeah, weird effect
Mhm. So this
buying
is
in the
my
last. Mm-hmm.
forecast for maybe 3, 4 weeks. And let's also check Velo. Velo today is on my side. And wait. So what we can see. And also, I want
Roma,
to add one
and
thing. Yes.
yeah, Roma, wait. And you said that in 2, 3 weeks. Do you know the exact date we should check the price?
Let's check it exactly. I think it will be August. No, let's make it September expiry. September expiry is a little bit later. It's 25th of September.
Uh, okay, I've got a reminder. We'll check
We
25th
will
of September. Mm-hmm.
one more vertical line, and we will not forget that way. So we can make,
Mm-hmm.
for example, red vertical line on 25th of September in Trading View.
Okay, let us also, but okay, we will forgot what date actually we linked, we put that vertical line from,
Maybe, maybe.
or we will.
So. And today I also wanted to make another type of analysis. So analysis of open interest in Ethereum, because usually I'm making analysis of Bitcoin open interest, but usually I didn't look what is happening in Ethereum open interest.
Mm-hmm.
So now I will share. Can you please stop sharing your screen?
Mm-hmm.
And I will change to my wait. Trying to find.
Mm-hmm.
So what we can see here. Can you see my screen?
Mm-hmm.
So look, Ethereum. What is the picture of current open interest? So what we see. We can see that in United States dollars options open interest sharply fell. So it was when Ethereum was about 5,000, the total amount was 20 Yes, so it was in this point, and after it, it is less, more than 5 times less than it was on its highest point in the September 2025. And interesting, it was just because of a strong market crash on 10th of October.
Mhm.
And if we will make the same in Ethereum, we can also see, for example, look, in Bitcoin open interest. If we look in United States dollars, it is lower than it was, for example, in 6th of November when it was the highest. But if we make open interest in Bitcoin, then you can see that really, yes, it was also big, but not really so much it fell.
Mhm.
But in Ethereum, both United States dollars, you can see that options trading fell strongly, and in Ethereum it also fell. So I think it's interesting that the biggest Ethereum options trading volume or open interest was on 20 September in 2022. So now in Ethereum contracts, it's even less than that. It means that really Ethereum options are not growing because if you look the same in futures, futures open interest is growing step by step, but options are not how to say are not are not growing. It's the simplest way. And if we
Mhm.
go to the repeat to check what is happening with Ethereum, it's also interesting. So what we can see. It's first time today when I'm looking Ethereum because usually I'm looking on Bitcoin open interest. So
Mhm.
the biggest open interest is you can see $6 million on the end of August. It's really small, so almost showing that nobody is trading Ethereum options. Also, we have $57 million in September and 60 million on December. For example, if compare with Bitcoin, in Bitcoin it's 10 times higher. So and this is good news. Why? Because when options market is not too liquid, uh, it's easier to make movements. Because when there are strong option players, they don't. It's usually difficult to push the price strongly up or strongly down. And what we can see, for example, in the end of September. Yes, we can see that big amount of 2000 call options, also 2500 and 3000. And on December, what we have on December, 2200. And you can see that on December, almost nobody bought some options put. I think because because they are really expensive and nobody thinks that Ethereum can go so strongly down. And what about September?
Yeah, Roma,
September, it's
kind of contradictory because you say that they are expensive, meaning maybe I'm wrong here, meaning that there is higher demand for them. But next sentence you say is that nobody believes they are going down. The Ethereum is going
they
down.
can be expensive. Look, for example, imagine such situation that
Mhm.
you are selling tomatoes and you want to sell your tomatoes for 3 times higher than usual price. And you
Mhm.
just standing on the market and nobody is buying them. So they can be high not because of high
Mm,
demand,
I
but they
see.
can be high because of somebody make high price. And
Yeah.
for example, imagine that market maker is thinking that volatility in Ethereum is strong and doesn't want to sell cheap. But it
I see.
doesn't mean the same
Yeah,
way
got it.
that people want to buy expensive options. It just means that the market maker doesn't want to risk.
Yeah, meaning that there might be another drivers for the price, not only demand from the other side, buyers.
Yes,
So,
sure.
okay.
So interesting. We can see that it is more call options, and I think that if the market will go here, so higher than 2000 in Ethereum, then all these open interest bars can create strong upward movement, because when market is going higher than some point of open interest, then people who sold these options, they usually start to make delta hedging, and they are buying futures or spot market, and so they are pushing market towards they're pushing market higher. And I think that if we will see Ethereum higher than 2000, then it can easily go to 3000, for example. It is interesting. So it is one more interesting hypothesis. Okay, and let's go to Velo. What we can see in Velo. Let's open Ethereum. Ethereum. So daily and please. You see, it's interesting. It is not clicking Ethereum. Let me try again. Oh, now it's better. So if we choose one week,
Working on your side. Okay.
do you see yellow now?
Yep. Ethereum.
So you can see
1 week.
that here Ethereum made the breakout of previous support level, and now option prices for Ethereum are lower than at its lowest for last, you can see, almost 2 years minimum in Ethereum prices of options. So, and this is also good. It means that nobody is expecting some strong movement. And from my point of view, the main mechanism of options growing and decreasing in prices is imagine that insurance is going down, nothing is happening, and one day somebody sees who has big money, he sees that he can buy cheap options, and he can push price of Ethereum at the same time. Understand? And when this idea is really profitable, so he understands that he can buy cheap options and use some of his money to push the price up or down, then it's of course, from the point of view of United States, it is called SEC, who is regulating American markets. It's manipulating. But I'm not sure that in crypto they also look at this, because I'm not sure that Ethereum is also regulated by American Commission of Stock Exchanges. But of course, if it will happen and in one day somebody will know about it, I think they can they can come and say something. But usually it happens like this. So, and what about trades? Let's check trades also. Yes, you can see somebody bought 1950 options call for 21st of August. So it's 2 days. And it's interesting. Interesting why? Because now options are really cheap. And if somebody is selling these options, it's not big profit. But if it is some insider, and today you remember that I told that it is a meeting of president and top crypto top managers, maybe they know about some news which we don't know, and maybe it's some insider trade. So we also will see just in 2 days. Okay, let's continue. Now let's continue to your side and let's open position builder and let's check what is happening now and what we can do.
Where is it? Position builder.
So, can you show me what are the prices? So what we see that 2000 options are 0.6 and 1900 is 4.6 and 1850 is 0.5. So yesterday we tried to sell central options, but the price didn't get to our orders.
Which we do see on the chart, but still
Yes.
the loss is like almost nothing. I think it's the price of our hedge, right? Only.
Yes, but what is this big red bar?
I
I mean,
Roman,
last one.
those are weekly options.
Ah,
Oh, don't worry, we already scared that. I don't remember.
they,
Three,
was
4
the,
days.
it is written that this loss we have on 21st of August, yes? So
Sure,
now we
sure.
can see the future. I didn't know that
We
our,
already, yes, this one
yes.
is already what. So this is like per day profit and loss, meaning that if we bought
Yeah, I understand.
some for 21st, then after the midnight, it's signed by the buy bid that we spend some money for option expired on that date, meaning in future.
So, what is my idea for today? Can you open, please, again, position builder? I'm thinking that the market will not go strongly below than 19.00 because of usually when something happens like meetings with crypto people in politics and so on, usually these news are traded up, not down. The worst way is usually it can go sideways. So my idea is to sell, for example, 1900 options. Maybe how many we can sell? Let me think. We can sell, for example, 0.8. So like this, 0.8.
For
And cut.
$30.
Huh?
So same position as yesterday. So we will arrange take profit for $30 or so.
No, I think 30 is too much. I think we can make it
20.
$7, for example.
7, okay.
Okay, and cover it with 1850. No, I think 1875 because it's only $1.3. And also we can sell 1925 options call for $25. Because if we will sell them for $25, then if market will go up, we have already weekly bought 1950 options call. So if we sell 1925 for $25, we cover all our interval from 1925 to 1950. And
Yes,
we can also hedge them with 2000 options. What do you think?
agree. Will be nice if it will work out. So is it time to start recording? So we selling
Sure.
1975, no, 1970 or 1900 for $7 and 1925 for $25.
Yes.
Okay, start the video, please, because I still have the bug of auto refresh.
Alex, today we are close to our weekly options. which we bought 3 or 4 days before 1950. And so we can make safe position. We can sell 1925 options called for $25. So if this order will be executed, then we don't have really risk because after 1950 we will have profit from our weekly options. And also, I think that because of today event of meeting crypto top managers with some people in White House, I think that the market can go up or in the worst way, sideways. So we can sell 1900 put options for, I think, maybe $7 and also hedge it with 1875 put options.
Okay, I already showed the position. The profit will be around $22, and the loss will be like in case of falling will be like several dollars. And but in case of moving up, we'll like lose a lot. But this is improbable since we do have those weekly options, right? So
Yes,
that's our
yes.
strategy.
So this is not the problem for us.
Okay,
Okay,
let us
let's
open
open this
position.
position.
Okay,
Let's continue to
so
terminal and let's make it.
from video to video, we have even shorter duration of our videos. And most of the those videos are like opening the position. When I get that button working, like opening the position, I guess we have like video of
Then
how
we will
long?
have a
1 minute,
video 3
1
minutes
minute.
length.
Yeah, 1 minute, 2 minutes.
Yes, and we can do this like shorts.
Okay. So to our subscribers, enjoy me clicking this manually since it won't last long. In the nearest future. Okay, let us start with the long position, like 2000, 2000 call. So
0.8.
yes, in our tandem with Roman, I'm doing the dirty part. Like I'm, yeah, the
You are my hands. You are my hands.
junior analyst, like putting Roma's idea to the ground. Ideas to the
I
ground.
think that junior trader, because analyst is not putting any
Trader.
orders.
Yes, yes,
Analyst
yes.
is
Right,
just
right.
analyzing. And I
Yeah.
think that this job will be totally or maybe 80% or 90%
Yeah.
will
Yeah, I agree. It will be
will
dismissed by
disappear because of
yeah,
AI.
artificial. Yes, agree. So please double check my
Mm-hmm.
senior colleague trader. Is it correct?
Yes, let's
So
do this.
and then we open put 1975 for the market price. Put at the market price October. Please double check.
Mm-hmm.
And those are coming our short fellows like 90 put, 19 put, short at the price of, you said $7.
Mm-hmm.
Is that correct?
Yes.
19 put, $7. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Dollars. Okay, done. And the last guy is 1925 for $25.
Yes, 25.
Done. Correct?
Yes,
25.
I just want to ask what time it will be the event.
Roma,
Yeah?
should I fire the order?
Yes, yes.
Hmm.
0.8, 25.
Okay. So our speed run for opening the position is done for today.
Mm-hmm.
Roma, we have like any closing words for today's meeting?
I hope that these 2 days will be really bullish and I don't see exact time when it will happen because official time is not publicly released by the White House. But I think it is interesting that event has been organized behind closed doors, so it is
Mm,
not public.
mm,
Maybe I hope that we will have, as usual, that President Trump will come and say that they spoke and he decided that everything with crypto now will be much better. And we will see another 20% bullish trend in one day.
mhm.
Okay, Alex, thank you for today video. And let's check what will happen with this really long consolidation in crypto, in Ethereum and Bitcoin. And I think soon enough, in 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks, we will understand what was happening in this narrow range. Okay, thank you, and see you tomorrow.
Yeah. We invite our subscribers to watch the full video at the live broadcast section of our channel.
Sure.
Thank you for today, Roma. Hope everything will work out as you desired, and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.